Sadly, it's high gas prices, the earthquake in Japan, and unease about the European fiscal situation.
We've weathered the Arab Spring's effect on oil and gas prices, the Japanese earthquake and tsunami's effect on supply chains, the economic situation in Europe. We're also deeply moved by the suffering and the loss of life that's been caused by the recent earthquake in West Sumatra.
And when disaster strikes, whether a typhoon in the Philippines or an earthquake in Samoa, you're there, delivering the relief that saves. Same faith that breaks the silence of an earthquake's wake with the sound of prayer and hymns sung by a Haitian community. And yet I believe that grace was not absent in the midst of tragedy. It was heard in prayers and hymns that broke the silence of an earthquake's wake. It was witnessed among parishioners of churches that stood no more, a roadside congregation holding Bibles in their laps. Generosity of the Salvadorian people towards Haiti in the aftermath of the terrible earthquake there, I think is another example of his vision for a region that supports each other.
And like so many people in Haiti, she has been working around the clock on the earthquake relief efforts.
A flu spreads, or an earthquake strikes, or cartels threaten innocent people, it affects lives on both sides of our common border.
Did you feel the earthquake, Mr. President?
I didn't. We will lead in times of crisis, as we've done since the earthquake in Haiti and the floods in Pakistan. But the way we honor those from the UN family who lost their lives in the earthquake and commit ourselves to stand with the people of Haiti until they can stand on their own 2 feet. Of course, we're mindful that this is a difficult time for Indonesia. First, the recent earthquake and tsunami, and now the volcanic eruptions. Our original guiding stars, said Pablo Neruda, are struggle and hope. But, he added, there is no such thing as a lone struggle, no such thing as a lone hope. The Chilean people have shown this time and again, including your recovery from the terrible earthquake here 1 year ago. Spirit and resilience of the Chilean people, especially after last year's earthquake, have inspired people across the globe.
改めてオバマ大統領に、震災後初めてお会いをする中で心からお礼を申し上げたいと思います。震災発生後直後に電話をいただきまして、それ以来3度の電話をいただきました。また震災発生直後からロナルド・レーガン航空母艦を送っていただき、友達作戦を展開をしていただきました。そして原子力事故に関してもいろいろな専門的知識を持つ人材、そして機材を惜しみなく提供していただきました。この1年の米国の大統領の行動を通して本当に日米同盟というものの絆の深さを私自身も深く感じましたし、日本国民全員が深く感じて、心から感謝を申し上げたいと思います。
This is the first opportunity to meet President Obama after the earthquake disaster, and I would like to reiterate my sincere gratitude for the United States and its support.
On his watch, our military forces have excelled across the whole spectrum of missions, from combat in Iraq and Afghanistan to relief efforts after the Haiti earthquake.
I just want to thank the United States for its response when it came to the Christchurch earthquake. Your urban search and rescue team were fabulous in New Zealand, and your call immediately after the earthquake and a tremendous outpouring of support from people in America.